Alright everybody, it's time to see the JB Tow spare tire kit at work. 7/8 socket and ratchet. You should not use an impact. I'll show you what comes in it. You got your bag, you have your rod. This is a GM, so you're going to go here and look for the all late model GMs and Fords. So you're going to want the square, which is pretty easy. You come in here, look for the square, and that's the one you're going to need. It's this simple. Pops on. But we're going to go through the process of showing you why this is so much better roadside. Show you how much of a pain in the butt it is to find the tool, assemble it, and remove it from the tire from the vehicle. But imagine being roadside. Oh, look, so now you got his stuff to contend with, which this isn't bad, and it's a nice clean truck. So know what happens when you take this and set it on the road and forget about it. Now you're responsible for whatever's in this bag. If this one's packed full of stuff, you'd have to take stuff and set it out on the road. So, oh yeah, now he's got a bunch of stuff under there I gotta dig through to try to find the tool. So now we're roadside, keep that in your imagination. Look at that, real easy right there. So now I gotta dig all this stuff out. And then hope I put it all back to his satisfactory. Now I gotta take this out. Just to get the toolkit out. This is a super pain in the butt. And then when you're done, you gotta make sure to put this all back correctly. So now, we have to take all this stuff out and find which one of these is the proper tool. So you have 4 pieces. This is the part that turns it. And since we know ours looks like it's square, that's going to make it easier. So I'm going to say it's probably this end right here. We're not going to need this. We should be able to get away with just 2 pieces. So this piece. So now I'm still roadside. Y'all imagine being roadside and doing all this. So. So now we got the spare down, you can go change the tire. So we've probably been at this 10 or 15 minutes, I'm not even sure. But it's a lot longer than it would be if we just had the tool. So now you gotta crank it back up. And we're gonna do this and show you how long it takes with just the spare tire tool. Make sure it's in there properly. I want to tear the okay, snug. Now you got to put all this back. And keep in mind, we're still roadside. I know people are super picky about their vehicles, where things go, where you put stuff back.
Can't even figure it out.
I know, this is, you have to be a mechanical engineer to do this. This is the worst invention they ever come up with. Now we got to go put all this back.
Oh, you just got hit by a car.
I know. Look at that. So this went in here like this. Now all this stuff is in here, so now I got to make sure I don't mess any of that up. Super pain in the butt. Alright. There we go. You want to make sure you always put stuff back like you find it. That's how you get good reviews from return customers. So imagine not having to do any of this. Put that back. This was right here, if I remember right. Sometimes I got to take pictures and stuff. Make sure you did it right. This was. Make sure that was right there. go. Put his bag back on the seat. Your shirt back on the seat. Now imagine if you forgot this stuff roadside, just being in a rush, trying to get off the roadside. And this would be easier to access from the driver's side than the passenger side, which also keeps you on the roadside more. The whole idea is to keep yourself from traffic side. So now that's all put back. We're gonna grab this. It comes with the legend and all 7 pieces you need to get the tool out. We even included the new tool. This one right here. This is the newest of all the tools. So you need 7 pieces for basically almost every vehicle. So we're gonna take this now with your ratchet and socket. You didn't have to assemble it. One hand, no assembling, no figuring it out. Now I've got my tire out. I can pull it out, change my tire, and it's this easy to put back. You can sit down here with one hand, adjust this. Because earlier you seen all the trouble I had. You can't do this with that other tool. Then it's snug. That's it. Pull your tool out, your tire's done. This will speed up being roadside 10 times. You see how long it took me to find that. What comes in the kit? You could know what you're going to get out before you ever get there and be pre-prepared. Always remember, lowering your time roadside makes you more valuable, lessens your chances of being injured, and now you're in the crush zone. This is what we call the crush zone. You want to spend as little time as possible in this area, especially roadside. So, jbtow.com, come get your spare tire removal kit. Slow down or move over, you'll save a life. It's the law.